WEC had a problem. Ferrari won the first 3 races of the season. Then in Le Mans, Ferrari got less weight and more power, so an even better rating, and they won Le Mans as well. Now for the 5th race in Sao Paulo, something needed to be done, to keep everybody happy. So compared to Le Mans, Ferrari got 27 kg more weight and 47 horsepower less. The officials say we shouldn't compare to Le Mans because it's something else. But even if we compare it to Spa, they got 12 kg more and 12 horsepower less. The result was that Ferrari had by far the worst rating of all hypercars. For the first time, Ferrari's rating was even worse than Toyota's. Someone really wanted to make sure that Ferrari doesn't have a chance. On the other hand, the funny thing was that Ferrari got the highest power increase above 250 km per hour, which resulted in only the 3rd worst rating in higher speeds. We have to remember here that this power adjustment above 250 km per hour was only introduced to counter Ferrari's high-speed advantage, and now they get the highest increase. If you want to know more about the clever design tricks of the Ferrari hypercar and why it is so competitive, check out my other video in the description. Toyota, who are always punished for their winning streak of the past, have the same high weight but slightly more power. Their top speed increase is the 2nd highest, which gives them the 2nd worst rating in low and high speed. So Ferrari and Toyota were the 2 teams that got slowed down the most and had the highest power increase at higher speeds. To make the race more interesting, the BoP rating did the opposite with 2 other cars, Alpine and Peugeot. The Alpine got more competitive lately and they had to increase weight and reduce power, which gave them a medium rating at low speeds, but they got a massive power reduction above 250 km per hour, which left them with by far the worst rating at high speeds, which is not ideal on a track like Sao Paulo with its long straights. The other car is the Peugeot 9X8. After being handicapped in Le Mans with the lowest power of all hypercars, they're back to the lowest possible weight and the highest possible power for low speeds, but take the biggest hit above 250 km per hour with a 6% power reduction. So it's no surprise that Peugeot was competitive in Sao Paulo but struggled on the straights. The best rating by far had newcomer Aston Martin with the lowest weight, highest power and no power reduction for high speeds. Also the Cadillac got a very good rating with low weight and high power at low speeds and only a slight reduction in power at high speeds. So the Cadillacs were very competitive and could win the race in Sao Paulo. Next best BoP after the Cadillac had Porsche and BMW. Hence, the Porsche were very competitive as well, and we know that they can be fast even with a bad rating. Also the BMW was performing well and could finish in 5th overall. Impressive was that the private Ferrari could still finish 8th, although the works cars and the Toyotas couldn't make it into the top 10. So is everybody happy now? The cars who missed out in Le Mans have a better rating now and can be competitive, while Ferrari has been slowed down like never before. How did you like the 6 hours of Sao Paulo? Let me know in the comments below and see you at the next video.